Now we will discuss the sum question is based on the straight line. It's a JEE means PYQS questions. Now question is 2026. Question is given L1 and L2 and L3. Three line is given. Is a different x plus 3 is equal to 0, x minus y is equal to x minus y is equal to 0 and 3x plus y is equal to 0 at the point A or B. L1 is intersect L2 and L3, that is a 2 point is A or B, and this bisector of the obtuse angle between the L2 and L3 is a intersect the L1 at the point C, then the BC square plus AC square. So I'll just represent these in a x axis and y axis. So now is any idea x plus 3 is equal to 0, meaning is x is equal to minus 3 line, so meaning is a parallel to y axis. So now I'll just connect it. X is equal to minus 3 line is like this, right? Similar x is equal to y line is like this is possible, y is equal to x line. Similarly y is equal to minus 3 lines, meaning is negative intercept, meaning is similarly like this, right? If you find the intersection, y is equal to, that is minus 3 x. So if you find the intersection, then easily put x is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to x. So is a point is minus 3 comma minus 3, easily possible. Similarly, that is a name is a B and is a A. L1 intersecting, that is a point and is a B point. So is a point and is a B point. So A point and is a B point. Similarly, x is equal to, if you put the 3, then is easily possible y value. So minus 3 and is a 9. If you put the 3, then is value is minus 3. If you put, then is 9 value. So y minus 3 into 3, that is a 9. So y is equal to, so easily these 2 point is possible. Similarly, if is a bisector, so I'll just assume that is a bisector is this one, okay? Then is bisect equally. If is bisect equally, now is asking the BC upon AC square. So is easily, if you know that is a bisector, then is both are equal, then its meaning is ratio similar triangle, both triangle this one or this one is respect to this O. So OBC or OAC is a similar triangle. Though similarly is possible OB upon OA is a ratio is equal to BC upon AC ratio. Sorry, OC. Yes, BC upon AC ratio. So OB is a distance. So distance from origin. So 9 minus 3 comma 9 distance from origin is 3 square plus 9 square. 81, 81 plus 3, right? Sorry, 81 plus 9, 90 square root. Similarly, distance minus 3 comma 3 from origin. So is easily possible 3 square 18, right? And is asking the BC square plus AC square. So square root is cancelled, square both side, meaning is a 90 by 18. So is a 5:1. Is it possible? So is the answer of this question is 5:1. Thank you. Next question. So I'll just it's a 2026 question is based on the same straight line. Midpoint of is triangle is given ABC 5 to 7, 5 by 2, 3 or 5 4 comma 5. Then is find the Incentre. So Incentre is directly is possible. Is I know that is a formula is also very easy, but the similar thing, can you check one time how to find the value of midpoint is given, then is how to find the triangles other vertex. So is one trick is used in this concept. Suppose this one or this one is a midpoint, 5 by 2 7, 5 by 2 3 or 4 by 4 comma 5. So easily is possible add and is subtracted in x axis, same 5 by 2 subtracted to the 4, meaning is like this, 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 minus 4. Similarly like this, I'll just use that is a formula, x1 x2, meaning is nearby coordinate is add or opposite, that is subtracted, and easily possible, right? Similarly 7 plus 3 minus 5, that is a 5. So is a meaning is 1 comma 5 is a point. Similarly add or subtracted, meaning is 4, and add subtracted to the 5 plus 3, that is a 1. Similarly add then is a 4, or is subtracted then is 7 plus 2 only, right? Subtracted so is a 9, right? So easily these 3 points is possible. If it's easily these 3 points is possible, then also Incentre is possible. Now is, you know that the Incentre formula. So Incentre will AX plus AX1 plus AX2 BX2 plus CX3 divided by A plus B plus C, and ABC is a distance between them. So firstly find the distance. So you can find the easily distance 4 or 9. So meaning is 3 square plus 9 is 4 square is a 5. So similarly this one is 4 1 or 1 5. So 3 square and is similarly 4 square, that is this one is also 5, right? If you find that is a 4 4 and is a 9 minus 1 is a 8. So this one is a distance is 8. So these are the distance between the these. So apply similarly in a y, a y1 b y2 plus c y3 divided by a plus b plus c, opposite. So 1 into 8, 4 into 5, 4 into 5 divided by a plus b plus c, meaning is 5 plus 5 plus 8, 18. Similarly second one is y coordinate. So 8 into 5 is a opposite multiply. So this one is a y and his opposite is multiply 8, right? So similarly is 9 into 5 plus 1 into 5 divided by 18. So is this one is a coordinate of um, Incentre. So if it 20 20 and 28 divided by 18, sorry, 48 divided by 80. Similarly this one is 40 45 plus 1, 90 by 18. So this one is easily possible 5, and this one is if you subtracted that someone is cancelled. If you just subtracted the any number, uh, cancellation, that is uh, cancelling in a 6 or 3, 8 by 3. So this one is a coordinate of Incentre. If you say that is a 3h plus k, so 3 times of 8 by 3 plus 5. So 8 8 8 in the 3 cancel out, then his answer is 13. So easily. So this one is major concept is triangle if is given. So I'll just cover this major concept. This triangle is given and its midpoint is given x1 y1, x2 y2, and is x3 y3. Then how to find the vertex? X1 plus x2 8 and subtract the x3 in this one. Similarly this one is x2 x3 8 and subtracted the x1. Similar this one is x1 x3 8 and similar to subtracted x2, right? Add subtract, add subtract, add and subtract, right? Similar in a y, y1 y2 y3 subtract, y2 y3 y1 subtracted, y1 y3 y2 subtracted. So these are the coordinate is easily possible. After it is Incentre is easily formula. So is a major is in this question is midpoints theorem concept, right? And is a JEE Mains 2026 question. Now is the next question and is ABC is a equilateral triangle and is a orthocenter is a origin. Is a meaning is suppose is or equilateral triangle is, you know, all the center is the same. Orthocenter Incentre. So equilateral triangle is given and its origin is a orthocenter. Then side BC is given x plus 2 root 2y is equal to 4. After it is asking then is coordinate of a point is a different point is in a vertex. So is asking the coordinate of a point in this one. Then the greatest integer value of this one, meaning is JEE function value of alpha plus root 2 beta and use the modulus. After that is the greatest integer. Okay, so I'll just now start the similar. Suppose is a triangle is given and is a point and BC is given x plus 2 root 2 y. So if you just perpendicular, meaning is all are the same, perpendicular, altitude, median is all are the same in a equilateral triangle, and the center is also all are same. So meaning is suppose is a 0, 0. So can you find the easily distance in a distance from this one? So the 0 0 distance is meaning is and is minus 4 is equal to 0 equation. So distance formula a x1 plus b y1 plus c divided by so 0 0 put, meaning is 0 plus 0 minus 4 divided by a square plus b square, meaning is 1 square plus 2 root 2 square is 8, meaning is this one is 4 by 3. If is 4 by 3, then you know that the 2 ratio 1. So meaning is a 1 value is 4 by 3, then is 8 by 3. If is 8 by 3, then any point distance from 0 0 in a same line and this one, right? So how it is possible? If his slope is possible, then easily possible. Is symmetric form formula, meaning is parametric formula is applied and a distance. So if is any point coordinate is is given x1 plus r cos theta, y1 plus r sin theta, or x1 y1 in this time is a 0 comma 0. So r cos theta, r sin theta. R is a distance, 8 by 3 is already given. So measure is a theta value. So now is a perpendicular a, just suppose is a name is a d, then BC is a perpendicular to AD. The meaning is if his BC slope of BC is given minus 1 by 2 root 2 A by B. Similarly, slope of AD is easily possible root 2 root 2 because it's a perpendicular each other. So slope is meaning is tan theta value is 2 root 2 by 1. If is tan theta value is 2 root 2 by 1, then if you're made by the triangle situation is like this. If you're made by the triangle, then this one is a 2 root 2 and this one is 1. So it's a 3. Square of 8 plus 1 is 9 and square root is 1 is r meaning is 8 by 3 and cos theta value is 1 by 3. Same thing is that is the value is 8 by 3 and his value is 2 root 2 by 3. So meaning is your coordinate is 8 by 3 comma 16 2 root 2 by 9 and this one is also 9, right, easily. And he said that alpha plus root 2 beta, so alpha plus root 2 times of beta. If it's 8 by 9 plus root 2 times 16 root 2 into root 2 divided by 9, right, and its modulus. So 8 by 9 or 32 by 9. If it's 8 by 9 and 32 by 9, meaning is 40 by 9, and use the JEE function because he's asking the JEE function of this one. So is a 4 point something. So meaning is 4 point something, meaning is a 4 is a JEE function. So now is the answer of this question. Thank you.